when a legendary lightweight cruiser makes its way back into the spotlight. Riders everywhere take notice of a machine that has defined accessible, stylish motorcycling for generations. The Yamaha V Star 250 2027 stands out as a true icon in the quarter-liter class, bringing back the timeless charm of an authentic V-twin engine in a lightweight entry-level package. It is designed specifically for those who want the genuine cruiser, aesthetic, incredible agility, and bulletproof reliability, without being overwhelmed by the physical size or heavy weight of a massive, big-bore motorcycle. What truly sets this motorcycle apart and keeps riders glued to the journey is its uncanny ability to blend classic, retro styling with beginner-friendly accessibility. In an era where many smaller motorcycles have shifted toward modern, sport bike designs or single-cylinder layouts, this machine holds onto its roots with real chrome accents, classic teardrop lines, and authentic V-twin heart. It serves as the ultimate gateway bike for new riders entering the motorcycle world, as well as a pure stress-free daily commuter for experienced enthusiasts who appreciate simplicity. With rumors and excitement building around its role in the 2027 lineup, motorcycle lovers are eager to see this proven icon continue its dominant presence on urban streets and scenic back roads. It represents incredible value, offering real motorcycle heritage, exceptional build quality, and unmatched riding confidence, at a price point that remains friendly to almost any budget. If you have been searching for a motorcycle that combines classic looks, lightweight maneuverability, and phenomenal efficiency, this machine deserves your complete attention. At the absolute center of this cruiser is its unique 249cc air-cooled 60-degree V-twin engine, which remains a rare and celebrated gem in the 250cc motorcycle category. This dual-cylinder power plant delivers smooth, predictable power with a satisfying lower-end rumble that gives you the authentic feel of a traditional cruiser. The engine features a long-stroke design that emphasizes low-end and mid-range torque, allowing you to launch smoothly from stops and navigate city traffic with ease. The fueling system utilizes a Macoun 26mm carburetor that is finely tuned to offer crisp throttle response and smooth acceleration across the rev range. This reliable setup keeps maintenance simple, while ensuring that the motorcycle delivers steady, predictable power whenever you turn the throttle. The twin exhaust pipes sweep gracefully along the side of the bike, producing a pleasant, resonant exhaust note that enhances the overall riding experience. Without being overly harsh or loud, power is delivered down to the rear wheel through a slick shifting 5-speed manual transmission that makes gear selection smooth and intuitive for riders of all skill levels. The clutch lever pull is incredibly light and forgiving, drastically reducing hand fatigue during stop-and-go city riding or prolonged traffic light stops. The well-spaced gear ratios allow you to effortlessly zip through city streets while still maintaining comfortable cruising capability on open rural highways. When it comes to the overall weight and chassis design, this motorcycle is built around a high tensile steel tube frame that keeps the bike ultra-light and exceptionally nimble, tipping the scales at an incredibly light weight, curb weight of just around 326 pounds. It is one of the lightest cruisers on the market today. This minimal weight makes pushing the bike into a parking spot, backing out of a driveway, or holding it upright at a red light completely effortless. Complementing this lightweight structure is an ultra-low seat, height of just 27 inches from the ground, allowing almost any rider to easily put both feet flat on the asphalt. This low center of gravity instills massive confidence in newer riders, making low-speed maneuvers, U-turns, and tight cornering feel completely natural and stress-free. The overall frame geometry balances rock-solid, straight-line stability with responsive, quick-handling agility. Fuel economy is where this quarter-liter engine truly shines.